2021 Dethleffs Globebus GT I1. So 6 metres overall, really compact. It's 70 plate, but it was registered February 2021. Only 2.2 metres wide, so that's the same as a normal non-A Class motorhome. So very compact, but you get all the benefits from the A Class. Obviously a lot better driving position, big nice mirrors, and do you know what the towing capacity is on this? I'm not saying you're going to be towing a caravan or anything, but obviously you could tow a little car. You'd need to have a tow bar put on there, but with this sort of size and a little smart car on the back, it's not too big, and that's where the benefit of this comes in, is that you've got a nice compact smaller motorhome for going around sort of NC 500 up in Scotland, etc. But it also means that if you are going to tow something on the back, 2-ton towing capacity first of all, but it's then not too big. It's not going to be overly big sort of thing if you do want to tow something on the back. Nice garage, all the carpets are brand spanking new, they've never been down. So they're all in there. Nice little toe points or eye points in there as well to lock things into place. Got a socket, you've got a blown air vent in there, so got a light in there as well. So nice little layout. Paint seal. So we've got paint seal protection on the outside and on the upholstery on the inside. And you'll see this has got the Floyd upholstery inside.
Floyd?
Floyd. Access into the locker from the other side, and you've got a little secure box on here for your gas locker. So room for 2 gas bottles, 2 big gas bottles in there you can put in as well. So really good size. Little bit of storage up above as well. So that's nice and handy, nice and easy to get the gas bottles in and out of. Another little locker, so more storage, and again you can get that to that from inside. So when you pull the bed up, you can actually get into that little locker as well. Cassette toilet, so nothing out of the ordinary there. Our water fill up, so this is where we're going to fill the onboard water tank up. Something that I forgot to get the information on, onboard water tank. I would imagine it's going to be around about 100 litres. I'll double check that though. Diesel, so filling up your diesel in that one there. Standard A Class, so we've got our little AdBlue in the side there, so we've not got another section on the outside. Nice and easy to get to and fill that up. Nice cab, sort of the 2-tone leather with that Floyd upholstery. Coming inside, electric, obviously plug our mains electric into there. Nice step, 3.5 ton. So again, a good weight, and we've got a good payload on this as well. So what was the empty weight on this one? I think it was sort of...
Payload was about 600, wasn't it?
Probably, might have, I thought it was a bit more than that, but yeah, about that. So you've got a really good payload. Nice little kitchen area. Lots of storage. You got the funky white Dethleffs MP20S dials above the door. 4 travelling seat belts.
Don't forget your flap up for your kitchen.
Oh yeah, you got your little flap up. You got your flap up. It's just a bit stiff. So a little bit of extra workspace if required.
What's your hob got?
Three burners on our hob, don't need any more than 3 burners. Nice little sink, and then nice position. So sometimes on these they'll put the, just turn the fridge off a second, they'll put the oven and the hob up above in a stupid place.
They don't put the hob up there.
Oh, they do?
They don't.
The oven and the grill. It's been a long day. So they put the oven and the grill up above, and it's a real nightmare to get to. So nice and easy to get in and out of. You're not going to sort of be trying to... They knew that this was going to be for small people, didn't they?
Yeah, I think they did.
They knew that if they put the oven and the hob up there,
Need a step.
nobody would be able to get the pots and pans on the hob, would they, up there? Nice big fridge freezer. It's a slimline fridge freezer. That'd look nice in your horse lorry, that would.
Yeah.
That's what we want to put in your horse lorry, that is.
Yeah.
More ideas. So that, yeah, that's good, nice fridge. Loads of storage in the kitchen.
Oh, that's
Plenty.
Yeah,
Plenty. It's got the extra battery for the habitation side. Obviously it's got stop start on this. It's the newer Fiat chassis, so we've got the 9-speed automatic box on this. Reversing cameras, solar panel,
aircon.
yeah, we've got the aircon on there.
Don't think there's cruise, is there? I can't see a store.
Yeah, we've got cruise, so you've got cruise, so you've got everything that you're going to require. We've got the nice drop down bed over the cab, so obviously we've got proper 4 seat belts, so if you have got people coming with you, another bed over the cab, so front seats fold down and then that bed comes down. It's all like brand spanking new.
The lighting's lovely around that bed.
It is, isn't it? Again, more extra lovely storage, so plenty of storage all the way through. The bed, it's not in here, which is where I first thought that the steps were going to be for the bed. I thought they'd be pulling out of here, and it's not. We've just got loads of extra storage, and we can get to our water drain off there. So we pull out on this side here, and then that also adds as a little bit of storage.
Lovely, isn't it?
So that's quite a nice little design. And then up onto the bed, so we've got our sockets and everything up in the corner as well, our light switches. So a nice...
More nice lighting, it's lit really nice.
It is, isn't it?
Home. And the bathroom is lovely.
Nice little washroom. So again, really nice. So this has just come in, so it's a quick sort of flick through.
Water tank.
How much?
Yeah.
Don't know. I need to check. I will put a thing up on the screen just to double check how much that water tank actually holds. Some other little bits and bobs that have been put on here. So it's had the iNet control for the heating, so it's got the Truma heating, so it's got the iNet connection, so you can connect it via your phone. It's got a tracker and alarm system on there, so it's going to bring down your insurance. It's got a 4G Wi-Fi box on there as well, so you can connect up and add that on there and pay for your 4G system, so that you've got 4G even roaming around Europe and etc. So you just need a SIM card, I believe, to do or allow that, but that box is all in the corner. As I said before, it's got the extra leisure battery. It's had a puncture control put into the tyres. We did our tyre on bands last week for the Caravans, so this has actually had a punch control put into all the tyres, so if it has a puncture it's not going to cause you major issues. So lovely motorhome. It's been absolutely cherished. It's not been used that much. As I say, it's 2021 and it's just arrived, and it's over at Garden Village, so we've not taken this to Gailey. At the moment it's at Garden Village, so if you want to come and look at this one over at our Garden Village site. Hopefully you've liked our little tour. Let us know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.